Welcome to my channel, viewers. This is Pompano Beach, Florida. This beach is located along the coast of Atlantic Ocean, just north of Fort Lauderdale, 36 miles north of Miami. This beach has lots of birds named pelican. This is one of the birds who swallow a large fish. And now, see what is happening to him. He even could not swallow whole fish. He just kept this fish in his mouth. I was there for half an hour. He could not take it out or could not swallow it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video.